In this video, we'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in TeamGate CRM, an important step in securing your data and account. Stick around because, by the end of this video, we'll also share a great alternative that might better meet your needs. Let's dive right in. First, log into your TeamGate CRM account. Once you're in, go to your profile settings. You'll find this in the top right corner under your avatar or name. Next thing, on the left sidebar of your settings, look for the Security section. This is where you can control how secure your account is, and we're focusing on two-factor authentication here. Click on it. The third thing you need to do is enable two-factor authentication. When you click on Enable, you'll be prompted to choose a method. You can use either an authentication app or receive a verification code via SMS. The app method is more secure, so we'll recommend that one for added protection. Now, the fourth thing, if you choose the app method, you'll be shown a QR code. Open your authentication app, whether it's Google Authenticator, Authy, or something else, and scan the code. If you prefer the SMS method, simply enter your phone number and TeamGate will send you a code to verify. After that, the fifth thing is to enter the code from your authentication app or the SMS code into the TeamGate CRM interface. Once it's verified, two-factor authentication will be enabled and your account will be much more secure. Next thing, it's always a good idea to back up your authentication method. With apps like Google Authenticator, you can set up backup codes in case you lose access to your phone. Be sure to note these down somewhere safe. Now, while TeamGate CRM does offer two-factor authentication, some users might find the process a little cumbersome, especially when compared to alternatives that integrate a bit more seamlessly with other tools. So, while this is a solid option, it's worth considering whether it's the best fit for your needs, especially if you're managing larger teams or require more flexible features. And here's the twist. I'm going to suggest a great alternative that's known for being even more user-friendly and offers a more robust set of security features with better integration capabilities, especially if you're looking for a more comprehensive CRM. It also has an extended free trial available through our link, offering exclusive benefits for you as our viewer. In conclusion, enabling two-factor authentication in TeamGate CRM is simple and enhances your account security, but depending on your business needs, you might want to explore other CRMs that offer even more comprehensive features and security options. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with some amazing perks. Check out the link in the description for more details.